If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2024 Jeep Compass Latitude in bright white. With active lane management system, drowsy driver detection, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 14,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, SELEC-TERRAIN system, remote start system, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number P90378.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.